What happens when you add 1 to a number too big to store? Your code breaks. Unless you think like this. This simple +1 breaks most solutions. And in interviews, this gets rejected. Stay till the end. I'll show you the exact trick interviewers expect. You're given a number, but not as a number. As an array of digits. +1 equals 124. Back into an array. Simple. Not really. What if the number is too large to fit in memory? So, we simulate addition. Digit by digit. Start from the end. Just like real addition. If it's not 9, just add 1 and stop. If it's 9, it becomes 0, and carry moves left. If everything is 9, you create a new digit. Let's look at the code. Loop backwards from the end. If the digit is less than 9, just add 1 and return. But if it is 9, it becomes 0, and we carry over. If we finish the loop, we need a new digit. Problem solved. Time complexity. O of n linear. N space. Constant. O of 1. Here's what interviewers are actually testing. If you convert this to an integer, you fail the real test. Because this breaks for very large inputs, and ignores constraints. They want digit by digit simulation, like a computer. Don't think like a calculator, think like memory. And always mention edge cases, like all 9s. One simple trick that avoids big integer overflow. Think like a computer, not like a calculator. Follow for more clean coding breakdowns.